Dr. Seuss once said, "You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who will decide where to go." As a child, I can remember staring at my bedroom ceiling, imagining what life might be like when I turned 18. I was so eager to grow up, to be an adult. Well, how the time really does fly by. I grew up in a home where the foundation was, and still is, built on Jesus Christ. My church was another home to me, and the people that attend and still attend are family to me. From first grade until ninth grade, I attended Medina City schools. Towards the end of my ninth grade year, I began to struggle with my grades and my faith. Then my world was turned topsy-turvy. My mom, being the wise, godly woman that she is, decided I would do better homeschooled. At first, I wasn't so sure I entirely agreed with that idea, but mother knows best, and I was pulled out of school. I've learned to love change. Change brings experience, and experience brings lessons learned. My grades began to improve because I had all of my teachers' attention, and I wasn't rushed to finish my tests. In addition, my relationship with my God grew tremendously. I received my calling into ministry and a heart and a passion for missions. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for doing what you knew was best for my life. I would also like to thank you for loving and supporting me through thick and thin. Nani, our relationship has really grown. Thank you for all of the advice and the wisdom you have given me over the years. Nana and Papa, thank you for mentoring me and for being my friends and my support. I live my life in a way that is topsy-turvy and spinning backwards. My goal is for my life not to make